Hello, we are discussing about GATE 2015 ECE paper. Look at the circuit diagram, and the input signal is a sinusoidal waveform, and we are going to find out what is the shape of output signal for the given sinusoidal input. So V out, this is what the circuit diagram given. If you observe, the current can flow in this direction, and it is flowing in this direction, then it goes in this way. So you can draw the same circuit in this way. This is what the modified circuit we can draw. So this is D1 for example, and this is D2. So V in is connected to, V input is connected to, positive terminal is connected to D1 P side, and D1 N side is connected to a resistor, and resistor other end is going to be connected to D2 P side. D2 P side is nothing but this is the waveform, and D2 N side is connecting to negative terminal of V in. So both are going to be same. Now this is what R, resistance, and V out. V out is going to be given as plus minus. So this is plus and it is minus. So if you observe, positive terminal of V out is going to be connected with P side of D2. So positive terminal of V out should be P side of D2, and negative terminal of V out, that is negative node of V out, is connecting to N side of D1. So both are going to be, this is exactly the same circuit. Now during positive half cycle, now V input is sinusoidal signal. Every sinusoidal signal will be having two half cycles. One is positive half cycle, the other is negative half cycle. During positive half cycle, all voltages are going to be positive. So whenever positive voltages are applied during positive half cycle, so all voltages are going to be positive. That makes D1 forward bias. You are applying positive voltage towards P side of diode D1, as well as that current is flowing through this one, and that is going to be connecting to D2 positive also. D2 P side is connecting to positive terminal, and D2 N side is connecting to negative terminal of V input. So D1 is forward bias as well as D2 is also forward bias. And it has given ideal diode so that both acts as short circuit. Since both are acting as short circuit, it's going to be, the waveform is going to be looks like this one. But V out is going to be plus minus, and V in is going to be given as, this is plus minus. So if you write the KVL, otherwise by looking at the polarity itself, you can say V out is equal to minus V in. So if V in is positive half cycle, you will get the negative half cycle. And during negative half cycle, the value present over here is negative. So I can write it as minus, and this is plus. During negative half cycle, all the voltages are going to be negative values. So negative values are going to be connecting to P side of D1, and positive values are connecting to N side of D2. So both diodes D1 and D2 act as reverse bias. When they act as reverse bias, they act as open circuit. So both diodes are going to be acting as open circuit. And this is the resistor V out minus plus. Even though V input you are applying, but no current is flowing, so that V out is equal to 0. Since current flowing through it is 0. So during negative half cycle, no output should get, and during positive half cycle, you should get a negative half cycle, because V input is positive, V out is opposite of that one, minus V in. So the right answer is nothing but, for positive half cycle you will get negative half, equal negative half, and for negative half cycle you don't get any value. So V out is equal to 0 over negative half cycle, and V out is equal to minus V in during positive half cycle. So the right answer for this question is C. Thank you.